Persistence in covering tracks, how attackers maintain access and avoid detection. Once attackers gain access to a system, their next goal is persistence, ensuring they can stay inside the network even after a reboot, password change, or security fix. To remain undetected, attackers also employ covering tracks techniques to erase forensic evidence. What is persistence in cyber attacks? Persistence allows attackers to maintain access even after their initial point of entry is closed. This ensures they can re-enter the system without triggering alarms. Common persistence techniques. 1. Creating rogue user accounts. Attackers add secret admin accounts. 2. Scheduled tasks and startup services. Malware is set to restart automatically. 3. Registry modifications. Persistent scripts run every time the system boots. 4. Rootkits and bootkits. Attackers hide malware deep within the system. 5. Remote access trojans. Malware allows attackers to control the system remotely. What is covering tracks? Covering tracks is the process of erasing evidence of an attack to avoid detection and forensic investigation. Common covering tracks techniques? Clearing logs, deleting security and system logs to remove traces of malicious activity. Timestamp manipulation, modifying file timestamps to mislead investigators. Disabling security tools, turning off antivirus, SIEM, and intrusion detection systems. Log poisoning, inserting fake records into logs to confuse analysts. Defensive strategies against persistence in covering tracks. 1. Enable advanced logging and monitoring. Use SIEM tools to track system changes. 2. Restrict administrative privileges. Prevent unauthorized modifications to system files. 3. Regularly audit accounts and services. Identify unauthorized users and scheduled tasks. And 4. Implement file integrity monitoring. Detect unauthorized changes to critical files. 5. Use endpoint detection and response solutions. Spot persistence techniques before they spread. Final thoughts. Persistence and covering tracks are critical steps in advanced cyber attacks. By understanding these techniques, security teams can implement proactive defenses to detect hidden threats before they cause damage.